Welcome, petrol heads and F enthusiasts. Buckle up, because today we're taking a deep dive into the 2024 Porsche Taycan, the electric sports car that's redefined performance. Is it the ultimate evolution of a motoring icon? Let's find out. Design and aesthetics. First things first, the Taycan's looks. It's sleek, aggressive, and undeniably Porsche. The low-slung silhouette, sculpted lines, and iconic headlights scream performance, while the subtle FQs like the charging port and lack of exhaust add a futuristic touch. Let's not forget the drag coefficient of 0.24 at the slipperiest Porsche ever. Interior and tech. Host. Stepping inside, the Taycan is a tech wonderland. The curved panoramic display dominates the dashboard, while a plethora of touch controls keep things minimalist. The new head-up display and augmented reality navigation are straight out of a sci-fi movie. But it's not all screens. Luxurious materials and supportive seats make the cabin a haven for comfort and performance. Performance and handling. Now, the real test. How does it drive? Buckle up. The 2024 Taycan offers a range of powertrains, from the base 408 horsepower to the Turbo S with a mind-blowing 750 horsepower. Instant torque throws you back in your seat, and the handling is razor sharp. This car corners like it's on rails, thanks to its low center of gravity and Porsche-tuned suspension. But it's not just about speed. The regenerative braking system is incredibly smooth, and the different drive modes offer a surprising amount of range. Range and charging. Let's talk numbers. The Taycan's range has improved for 2024, with some models reaching up to 300 miles on a single charge. And with Porsche's ever-expanding charging network, you'll never be stranded. Speaking of charging, the new 800-volt system can top you up from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes. Perfect for a quick pit stop. The 2024 Porsche Taycan is more than just an electric car. It's a statement. It's proof that performance and sustainability can coexist, and it's a glimpse into the future of driving. Is it perfect? No car is, but for those who crave cutting-edge technology, exhilarating performance, and a touch of luxury, the Taycan is a truly electrifying choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car content.